Hello investors, in this video we will see how we can create a dynamic strategy for stocks using our stock screener. So to create a dynamic strategy, simply click on strategies here and then click on create new. Now as you can see here, we have the option to create a dynamic strategy using stock screener. So I'll click on that and it opens this stock screener. Now I'll click on this advanced builder. Now if you are not familiar with the interface of this new stock screener, I request you to watch the stock screener video that we have posted. We have explained everything in detail there, that what is the basic builder, what is the advanced builder, and how you can use them. So here we have the advanced builder. I'll start typing my query here. So I want stocks that has PE ratio less than 40 and ROE TTM greater than 15 and ROCE TTM is also greater than 15 and I'll type sales. So sales CAGR 3 year should be greater than 20 and I'll type market capitalization less than 3000 crore. So less than 3000. So I have created a basic screen here and now I'll click on the run button to see the results. So I'll click on run and total of 183 stocks are there. Now I won't be investing in like all 183 stocks, right? So I'll toggle this sort and limit button on and I'll be investing in 15 stocks. So I'll put the number of stocks 15 and sorted by which metric. So I want 6 month return. So I'll type on return and I'll take this 6 month return, right? So they will be sorted by 6 month return in the descending order. If you want to exclude stocks in this frameworks, you can toggle this on. I am not going to toggle this on. So now we are limiting our stocks to 15 based on their 6 month return. So I'll click on run and as you can see, now we have only 15 stocks. Now the stock screener is ready, but now what we need to do is backtest this screen and then we also need to provide the strategy parameter for our dynamic strategy. So to do that, simply click on this backtest and paper trade button. It will take few seconds to generate the backtest report. And as you can see, the backtest report is generated. Our portfolio has performed far better compared to the benchmark, right? In 3 year time frame or even in maximum, if we see as of now we have 3 years as the default, so 3 year and maximum is the same. But in 1 month, 6 month, 1 year, 3 year, all the time frames, our portfolio has performed far better compared to the benchmark, right? So I am satisfied with the screen that I have created, right? So now I can select the backtesting parameters. Now as you can see, these parameters are we have selected this in advance, so we are limiting our number of stocks to 15 by 6 month return. Now here again we have the option to allocate the weight. So we have equal weight or we have weight by metric. So I can select any metric to generate the weightage of each stocks in my portfolio. So I can do this by market cap. I can select any metric. So based on volume, free float, or proprietary stock scores. So based on QEM score, we can change the weightages, right? But for now, let's say allocate equal weight. Here we have the option to select the rebalancing frequency. So rebalancing frequency, let's change it to 1 month and on the first of every month. Now the benchmark here is Nifty 50 total return index. I can change it to Nifty 500 total return index. So I look for Nifty 500 Yeah, so here we have Nifty 500 TRI. So now our benchmark is Nifty 500 TRI. We can also implement the risk management. So as we have discussed multiple times, we have three risk management models available here. First is trailing stop loss, second one is fixed stop loss and take profit. So here you are limiting both risk and reward. So 10% can be your stop loss and 20% can be your take profit. So here your risk reward becomes 1 is to 2, right? I'll also do this. I can also implement the transaction cost button. So here in actual scenario, when we buy or sell anything, we pay different kind of charges like SEBI charges, STT, uh, depository charges and so on. Now if I want to get more real life calculation, I'll toggle this on as well. So I have changed multiple parameters. As you can see, I have changed the rebalancing frequency as well as the benchmark. I have also implemented the risk management and transaction cost. So now my backtesting performance will change. So I'll simply click on this rerun backtest button. So I'll click on the rerun backtest button. It will do the calculations again. And now as you can see, the performance has worsened a lot compared to the benchmark. Our portfolio is now underperforming by a lot. So I am not satisfied with this changes that I made. I can again turn off the risk management and then run the backtest again to check if the performance is changed or not. And that's it. I have changed the risk management, so I have stopped it, and now again the portfolio is performing better compared to the benchmark in the historical, based on the historical data. Now I can here see the trade logs as well. I can also download it by clicking here. So also see the performance charts and everything that is available in our backtest report, like start and period, what are the cumulative returns, what are the CAGR, what is the maximum drawdown, a total number of trades are visible here. So let's say now I am satisfied with this strategy that I have created. These are the rules that I have created, and based on this parameters, now I'm satisfied. So what I'll simply do is I'll click on this backtest again. So now I need to paper trade this strategy. I am satisfied with all the parameters. So I'll click on this paper trade now button. Now here I'm asked to I'm asked to provide the name of this strategy. So this can be a demo stock strategy. So I'll type demo stock strategy. I can also add the description here. As you can see, I'm using ROE, ROC. So I'm trying to find high momentum and quality stocks that are available at a good valuation. Right, so these are the 15 stocks that I'll be buying as of now. On every month, my strategy will be rebalanced. Right, so I am satisfied with it. Then I'll click on execute order. And as you can see, our demo stock strategy is now live on paper trading. From tomorrow onwards, all this data will be live. As you can see, I have created some strategies earlier, and the XIRRs and returns, day change, absolute returns, everything is visible here. Right, so you can also click on this, and you can see what are the orders, and based on from tomorrow onwards, you will also be able to see the live performance of the strategy as well. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will see how we can create dynamic strategies using factor model. Thank you.